Good morning. My name is Carolina Lewick.
And I'm May Tipton.
And welcome to ATV News.
I know it seems like a long ways away, but the exam schedule is now posted on the Athens Drive website. Please check it out so you can plan. The ASVAB test is now scheduled for April 25th. If you still want to sign up, see Ms. Carlton in the Media Center.
Here's Summer Lasky with more announcements.
Do you like barbecue? If so, make sure you don't miss Mark Jackson's barbecue wrestling fundraiser at the Swift Creek Community Center from 12:30 in the afternoon to 8 p.m. this Saturday. Tell your friends and family about it. You won't be disappointed.
Thanks, Summer.
Did you know that Athens Drive has their very own drone club? Ian Campbell and Carolina checked it out.
Imagine a club where you can just relax and fly drones. Wouldn't that be amazing? Well, we have one right here. The Athens Drive Drone Club is the first of its kind in all of Wake County.
It's a really fun club. I mean, we're literally flying drones.
Drone Club meets every week. Students fly both outdoor and indoor drones right here on campus.
I had a lot of experience before. My dad got me a drone when I was 7 or 8 for Christmas one year, and I've definitely improved since then, though.
Not only do members get to fly their own drones, sometimes guest speakers bring some high-tech models for them to try. Lucas got to fly a $2,000 drone.
Oh my God.
Another highlight, the obstacle course. The students redesign it each time to keep it interesting.
You know, ever since I've been flying through the obstacle course or, taking pictures and videos for other sports teams, I feel like I've really improved after joining this club.
The club is the brainchild of Mr. Barry. The process to get the club approved wasn't easy. Will drones take over the world, or will we work hand in hand in daily life? Guess we'll just have to wait and see. I'm Carolina Lewick with ATV News.
Any students who may be interested in joining can contact Mr. Barry or come to one of the meetings every Wednesday at 2:30 in room 2720. Don't be afraid to try out and join.
This is the time in ATV News where we take a look back into the past. Here's Ahmed Ali with Today in History.
This day in 1999, 2 teens went on a shooting rampage at Columbine High School in Littleton, Colorado. They killed 13 people and wounded more than 20 others before shooting and killing themselves. For Today in History, I'm Ahmed Ali.
Thanks, Ahmed.
Now let's go to Leslie's Sports Corner.
Good morning, Athens Drive, and welcome back to Leslie Sports Corner. Yesterday, our very own Maggie Williamson and the rest of the softball team had an amazing game, beating Enloe 30-20. And for women's lacrosse, the Lady Jacks coasted a victory 21-9 against Sanderson. And for tomorrow, Friday, it is senior night for women's lacrosse. The Lady Jacks play against Leesville at home. The senior activity starts at 6:30 and the game starts at 7. Please pop out to support the seniors. If you're not going to the beach, you better be there on the stands. And that's it for me. Back to you, May and Carolina.
Thanks, Leslie. Thanks for watching.
See you next time.